Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Dyson v12 Detect Slim Absolute versus Dyson v12 Detect Slim. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about design. Dyson v12 provided slim, lightweight, and easy to maneuver design, and it is also provided by Detect Slim. So both are equal. Now let's look at the motor. The Detect Absolute provide Dyson hydronium motor, and it is also provided by Slim. So both are equal. Now let's look at the suction power. Slim Absolute provided 150 airboard suction power, and it is also provided by Slim. So both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. Slim Absolute provided up to 60 minutes, vary based on mode and tools use of battery life, and it is also provided by Slim. So both are equal. Now let's look at the filtration. Slim Absolute provided advanced filtration, capture 99.99 of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and it is also available on Slim, so both are equal. Now let's look at the include tools. In Slim, Absolute includes fluffy optic cleaner head and over tools for hard floors, plus mini motorized tool. And in Detect Slim includes multi-floor cleaner head plus mini motorized tool. So Absolute is better. Now let's look at the display. Absolute provide LCD screen showing real-time performance data, example runtime battery level, and it is also available on Slim, so both are equal. Now let's look at the weight. In Absolute, 2.2 kg, 4.8 lbs is available weight, and it is also available on Slim, so both are equal. Now let's look at the noise level. In Absolute, relatively quieter during operation, and it is also available on Slim, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. In Slim Absolute, the price is slightly higher due to additional accessories, and in Slim, the price is slightly lower. Slim is better due to low price. And in the last, let's look at best for. The Slim is best for people who need extra tools for multiple floor types and enhanced performance. And Slim is best for people who need a solid performer without the extra tools. So V12 Detect Slim Absolute is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.